Hi, Judy from Witchpeace Craft. Welcome to today's video. It is the prize draw time for my mini make-along Novelty Beanie Fest AU. Yes, it is late. I extended the closing date when we got back from our holiday and found out we didn't have internet. And we didn't have internet for nearly 3 days. But it's back now. Every morning I get up and check, make sure it's still working, because we've had a lot of issues with it this year. So the Novelty Beanie Fest make-along came about because Thing and I planned a trip to Alice Springs for the annual Beanie Festival and surrounding areas. And I thought, why not have a Novelty Beanie make-along? And I thought it would be a bit of fun. Look, the annual Beanie Festival at Alice Springs was truly amazing and mind-blowing. If you haven't watched the video, please go and watch the video and see what I'm talking about. It's been going 29 years. Next year will be the 30th year and possibly the last year. 8,000 beanies from all over the globe are entered into this Beanie Festival. In the video, I show a picture of a balloon beanie and say, guess how much it sold for? Well, it sold for $500, but it wasn't the most pricey one to sell. There is one that sold for $1,000. Anyway, guys, I've got a few notes so I don't forget where we're at. So this is the prize draw for my mini make-along, which closed yesterday. And I am giving away 2 $25 gift vouchers. However, depends on where you are in the world as to how I do this. Recently I did a giveaway and the lady requested $25 in her PayPal account so she could buy some bag o' day yarn, and she did that. And I got some happy mail this week. I got a beautiful thank you card from Cairns for doing that when she won the prize. So it could be a gift voucher. You could tell me that you want it in your PayPal account so you can buy other yarny stuff from other places, because I'm not sure I can do Amazon everywhere in the world, and I'm not sure everybody wants Amazon. I've had other people ask me to donate it to charity. If it's possible, I can donate it to a charity in your country from Australia. I will do that, but that's not always possible. So the prize winners, you email me, claim your prize, and we'll work out what we're going to do. So what have I got written down? Da-dum. Prize draw. Da-dum. So there weren't a lot of entries. A couple of people entered more than once, which is fine. And I have done a slideshow, which will be at the end of the video. So please stay and watch the slide show and congratulate everyone on their projects, because they really got into it wholeheartedly with a lot of fun and put a lot of effort in. And not everybody can win a prize. And I'd really like to thank them for entering and supporting the channel and doing the mini make-along. When there are so many make-alongs around, it was great to have some people enter this one. What else there? So, prize draw. 1 and 2. $25 voucher each. How did I do it? Well, what I did was I did a slideshow and I numbered each slide of each beanie, and I got Thing and Ribs to pick their favorites by scoring them out of 5 being the best, and they both got a run through and scored. I think Ribs took 3 runs through before he scored. They had no idea who they came from or where they came from. They'd never seen the pictures before because I kept them close to hand, because this is how I always planned to do it. To not just do a random draw, but to have someone's opinion on what they thought was a good novelty beanie where people put the work and thought into it. So without further ado, the 2 favorite picks. Number 1, the Pixie Hat by Geraldine. It is a lot of work in it. I think one of the comments from the guys was there's quite a bit of detail and thought gone into it, and it would have been quite difficult to get it to look the way it did. So the Pixie Hat by Geraldine. And number 2, which really surprised me, was the Christmas Hat by Barbara, because I didn't think the boys, they'd sort of flush over Christmas because they see a lot of Christmas hats. But they picked this one because they felt all those buttons that sort of sewn on it and the detail that went into making it and the thought of making it was a big effort. So first prize goes to Geraldine, $25 voucher. And number 2 goes to Barbara for a $25 voucher. So don't forget, guys, you email me and claim your prize and we'll work out what you want me to do, whether it be PayPal, Amazon, somewhere I can buy from here in Australia or over there a voucher, or even donate it to charity for you if you so wish. Now there is an honourable mention from the guys. The honourable mention goes to the Omi beanie with the curlers. I thought that was quite cute. So Laura, I will be posting you a little gift from the Beanie Festival that I know you'll love and appreciate. So the Omi beanie is by Laura, and I am tempted to make one. I'm tempted to enter into Alice Springs Beanie Festival next year. The only thing that sort of holds me back is a lot of them are felted that were entered, and a lot of ones that won were felted, and I'm not great at felting, but we will see. So there's a slideshow for you to watch, all the different beanies. Leave some positive comments, congratulate everyone, give them a thumbs up. In summary, with the week coming, I'm going to do a video on our trip to Alice Springs, which is in the centre of Australia, Uluru, which was formerly known as Ayers Rock, where we did a day trip out there, had an amazing day. It's not just the Beanie Festival in Alice Springs. We went out and looked at some of the surrounding nature and area. And we went on to Adelaide, where I met up with this yarny friend and subscriber, did some yarn shopping. So there will be yarny content, so make sure you stay to check that out. So guys, that's it for my mini make-along. Novelty Beanie Fest AU. I thought it was fun. I enjoyed it. If you watch the Beanie Fest video of me in Alice Springs, you'll see my Kraken beanie. His legs were curly, and I have washed him in a couple of curl back, but people were pulling at it, and I felt some of the stitches, like the yarn, go snap or stretch so that they're straight. But that doesn't matter. We had fun. I know Thing loved wearing his Guinness hat. I liked wearing my Kraken beanie. And yeah, it was great fun. Unbelievable fun. So until next time, stay safe, stay well, and be inspired to make something different. Not always purposeful, maybe just for fun. Bye for now.